Welcome 2024, a year of new beginnings and bright horizons at Aircraft Structures Group. Our commitment to excellence in AOG, fuel leak, and structural repairs continues to soar. Embracing 2024 with cutting-edge technology, enhancing our service precision and efficiency. Growing together, ASG believes in strong community ties and nurturing future aviation talent. Your trust, our pride. We cherish every partnership and success story. Join us in celebrating a year of achievements and stepping confidently into tomorrow. Happy New Year from everyone at Aircraft Structures Group. Thank you for watching.